This is the automated mini Junkshop machine. It only accepts plastic bottles, specifically the PET type, aluminum, and tin cans. Once you press the start button, the machine will then operate, and the user can place their used PET bottles, aluminum, and tin cans one at a time into the funnel of the machine. And the crushing part will now take place. Here, the user placed a tin can and was pushed right into the weighing scale since the material was sensed by the first integrated inductive sensor. Now on the second try, the user placed an aluminum can which then also pushed into its weighing scale since the second sensor on the conveyor was programmed to detect an aluminum material. And now, the last material placed into the funnel is a PET bottle which will only pass through all the sensors and fall straight to its weighing scale. And then after the weighing process, the loads will be automatically pushed into its respective bins. For transferring of points, the user press A, which is the cell option, and the LCD will display all the weight and equivalent point for each type of material. Then the total equivalent point for all the loads fed into the machine. The LCD will then instruct the user to tap the card and will automatically transfer points and will show you that the points were successfully transferred into the card. Then the LCD will return to its home and display other options that the user may select. Now, the user pressed B on the keypad, which is the check balance option, and again tap the card. It will then display the total balance on your RFID card. The user pressed C, which is the admin option. To access this option, the machine will ask for a password as a security. After entering the password, the admin may now change the price menu on each material based on the prevailing market price. And at the end, the admin can now save all the entered change values. On the last stage, which is the bins level indicator, the machine has designated 2 LEDs for each type of material. The yellow LED indicates that the loads in the bin are already half full on coverage and can still accept another transaction, while the red LED indicates the full level coverage of the loads inside the bin, wherein the admin must empty each bin in order to make another transaction. And that ends the whole operation of the automated mini Junkshop machine.